So this is for class 7 mathematics. Okay, the question is taken from class 7 mathematics, chapter 4, simple equation, exercise 4.2, question number 4. So I'm going to solve exercise 4.2, question number 1, that is from chapter 4, simple equation for class 7. Okay, so I can take down the question first. Solve the following equation. 10p is equal to 100. So I will be solving all this. So let me start. So first, what you'll need to do over here is, first take down this question. 10p is equal to 100. So how you are going to do this? Write down 10p is equal to 100. Okay. So p is equal to 100 upon 10 will give you what? So here in this case, your 100 upon 10 is there, right? So your 0 is going to get cancelled off. Okay. And finally what you all are left with? P. Therefore, P is equal to 10 is your answer. Next, moving further. Now take down the second B1. 10P plus 10 is equal to 100. So what are you going to do with this? Write down 10P is equal to, let me explain you all first. When this positive term, if I take it other side, it will become negative 10. Right? Minus 10. So what you are going to get is 100 minus 10. So you will get 10p is equal to 90. Okay. Now your next step will be p is equal to 90 upon 10. Right. So you will get 90 upon 10. So 0 will get cancelled. You are left with 9. Therefore you can say that p is equal to 9. Next, moving further, you can take down the question. P upon 4 is equal to 5. So what you'll have to do this? P is equal to 4 multiplied with 5. Multiplied with P is equal to 5 is given, right? Multiplied with 4. So write this P is equal to 5 as it is. Take this here. So it will become multiply by 4. So P is equal to 5 fours are, you will get 20. Okay, next moving further. Take down this question. P upon 3 is equal to 5. Now how to solve this? Write down P. What is the question exactly for the D1? It is P upon 3 is equal to 5, right? Okay, P is equal to 5. You have to multiply it with 3. So you will get P is equal to 5 3s are 15. Next, let us see the E1. 3P upon 4 is equal to 6. So how you are going to do this? Write 3P is equal to 6 multiplied by 4. So 3P is equal to, you will get 4 6 are 24. So your P is equal to 24 upon 3. Okay. So now you divide and see what you are going to get. 24 and here it will be 3. So 3. So you will get 3 8s are 24. So what is your answer? So therefore P is equal to 8. Next, moving further, 3s is equal to minus 9 is given, right? So what are you going to write? S is equal to minus 9 upon 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what is left? S is equal to minus 3. Next you can see 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. So how are you going to do this? 3s is equal to minus 12. So it will be s is equal to minus So we will get S is equal to 12 upon 3. So minus 12 upon 3 it is, right? So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So what is your answer for G1? It will be S is equal to minus 4. Okay. Next, moving towards the H. 3S is equal to 0 is given, right? So it will be what? S is equal to 0 upon 3, which is nothing but therefore S is equal to 0 upon 3 is 0. Okay. Next is I. So next is 2Q is equal to 6. 2Q is equal to 6. So how are you going to do this? Write down Q is equal to 6 upon 2. So 6 upon 2 is given, right? So we will cancel 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So what you are left with? Q is equal to 3. Next, moving further, J. 2Q minus 6 is equal to 0. How you all are going to solve this? This is very easy. Write down 2Q. Take the 6 other side. So it will become positive 6, right? Is equal to 6. So it will be Q is equal to 6 upon 2. So you will get 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So your answer is Q is equal to 3. Next, let us see the K1. 2Q plus 6 is equal to 0. So how are you going to do this? Write down 2Q, take the 6 other side, so it will become negative. Here it is positive, right? 2Q is equal to minus 6. So it will be Q is equal to minus 6 upon 2. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So you will get Q is equal to minus 3. Next, here it will be what? 2Q, what is given? 2Q plus 6 is equal to 12. So 2Q, write it as it is. Take this 6 other side. So it will become minus 6. So write down is equal to 12 minus 6. So you will get 2Q is equal to 6. So it will be Q is equal to 6 upon 2. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So your answer is therefore Q is equal to 3 is your answer. So I hope you have understood this chapter, simple equation, exercise 4.2, question number 4. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Keep supporting and have a great day.